All right, you guys, you see what's going on. Let's get into how to make these candied yams. All right, you guys, we about to hook up these yams. Well, tell me in the comments, what I'm saying, sweet potatoes, yams, because I know that these are sweet potatoes, but people still say candy yam. Can we somebody change that up? You know what I'm saying? Because can it be candied sweet potato? Because yams, you know, if you guys look up, and I'm probably gonna post it up what yams look like. And these are not yams. These are sweet potatoes. So but anyway, we're gonna make some candy yams, southern candied sweet potato yams. So I'm gonna say it like that, because honestly, they're not yams. So because somebody looked it up, because I know when I looked it up, it was not considered a yam. It was actually considered a sweet potato, you guys. So what we're gonna do is add in about 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna do that. 4 tablespoons of butter, you guys. Now people have different ways of doing yams, sweet potato, but what we're gonna do is do two. All you need is 2 tablespoons of water. So remember that 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm gonna add that in with the liquids. 2 tablespoons of water. You gotta add in your vanilla with all your liquids. As this starts melting down, so we're gonna add in your sweet potatoes. Now this is about 3 large sweet potatoes, and that was that was 2 tablespoons of vanilla that I added in. So remember that. So 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of water, because yams they actually pretty much sweet potatoes. I keep saying yams. Sweet potato produces a lot of water, so you don't have to add it. You want to allow it to cook. A lot of people do this in a crock pot. I can say you can do the same recipe in a crock pot, you guys. For those that don't have the time, also too, it cuts down a lot of, space and time, like that in your kitchen. So this is one way to do it. Or you can stick it in the oven. It's up to you. But this is really the authentic way to do it. I did it in a shallow pot for a reason, because I wanted to add in it. So when it melts down, put your temperature on medium-low and add in your sweet potatoes. Don't add in your brown sugar just yet. Just add in your sweet potatoes. You want them in the liquid, because it's going to start, producing its own water, its own fluid. So just put as many as you can, and the rest of them go on top. Some people steam them, but you want all the nutrients and everything in here. And you guys, this is sweet potato candy yams. This is candy sweet potatoes yams, you guys. I know I'm saying both of them. Candy yams, for those that know. This is not a healthy dish. This is a southern dish. Most southern dishes are real sweet or real fatty. So if you're on a diet, back away from this dish. But for everybody that knows how this go down, stick to it, you guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them steam up a little bit, and then we're gonna be adding in the brown sugar, the nutmeg, and cinnamon. All right, you guys, so you can see I turn a little color. Just flip them over a little bit with the butter and stuff like that. See, I got a little color on them. Started, get his own little juices. Now what I'm gonna do is, now it's time to add in the 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and also 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So just sprinkle it around. It's because it might seem like a lot, but it's really not. It's, with this, it's gonna incorporate in all the sweet potatoes. You don't need to add no more water, you guys. Stop trying to add stuff in here. It's gonna create its own moisture, and we're just gonna fold when it's ready. So I'm gonna turn the temperature on medium to get it back up to boiling, and then so we're gonna fold in, and we're gonna start coming to the the end of the candy yams, you guys. And I'll show you the end result when we're done. All right, you guys. So we see we come to a simmer. It's already showing tenderness. See the sauce is working out, man. Now the last thing that I say you want to do is add a little bit of salt. So you probably just need a teaspoon of salt. So just sprinkle it over. The salt brings out the sweetness of your sweet potatoes. And that's all you need, you guys. It's pretty much done. You can stop it. What you guys think? Tell me what you think, you guys. It's ready. Serve up, you guys. All you gotta do is plate it up, and the family be happy. Hope you guys enjoy this Southern Candied Yams, aka sweet potato. Keep up with my series of sweet potatoes on different ways to use the sweet potato. So I do have a few of them. If you haven't watched the other ones, definitely go back and check them. There's going to be a series of playlists of all different ways. If you're tired of the same old way of doing the sweet potato, check these out. All right, you guys. I'm the Chef KC from the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys, and I will see you guys. Hold up, all the new subscribers, thank you, and all those that are new just popping on in here, welcome. But I will see you guys in the next dish, you guys. Let's get in. I got to get to eating.